Fifth question, points x, y and z are collinear. Collinear means all these 3 points lie on the same line such that the distance between the points x and y is equal to 17. Distance between the points y and z is 8. Find the distance between x and z. So it's a similar sum as done in fourth question. So we will take all the possibilities and do it. So we have 3 points x, y and z. Each time we will take x. First time we will take x in between the other 2 points. Next time we will take y in between the other 2 points. And third time we take z between the 2 points and see if we can find the distance between the points x and z and accordingly find it. So first possibility, what did we say? We have to take this point x between the other 2 points. So x is taken, it is between the points y and z. What are the measures given to us? Distance between x and y is 17. So x and y, the distance is 17. The other measure, what is given to us? Distance between y and z. Y and z is 8. You see this small distance, the length is 17, but the entire distance, the length is 8. Is this possible? No, it is not possible. Okay, so therefore if it is not possible, then in such a case we cannot find the distance between the points x and z. So but we are supposed to write this according to the sketch. First possibility we have taken where point x lies between the points y and z, but the given measures confirm. Okay, what do the given measures confirm? That this is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because we saw that this measure 17 is a small distance, but this measure which is 8 is a greater distance than that which is contradictory. Hence we cannot find the distance between the points, not A and B. What is the distance here? We have to find distance between x and z. So we correct this. It is not A and B. It is the distance between the points x and z. Going to the second possibility. Here there was x in between the 2 points. Now we have y. Y lies between the other 2 points are point x and point z. What is given to us about their values? Distance between x and y is 17 and distance between y and z is 8. So between x and y is 17, between y and z is 8. What have we to find out? The distance between x and z. So look at the figure. This we have to find out, this full distance between x and z. So how can we find out? By adding both these distances, it will give us this full distance, that is the distance between x and z. So according to the sketch, what happens? Which point lies between the other two? Do you see here this point y lies between the points x and z. So I write here according to sketch, point y lies between the points x and z. So distance between the points x and z is equal to distance between the points x and y plus the distance between the points y and z. So I'll write distance between the points x and y plus the distance between the points y and z. What is the distance between the point x and y? 17. What is the distance between the points y and z? 8. If I add both of them, what do I get? 25. Therefore, distance between the points x and z is 25. Okay, that is for the second possibility. Coming to the third possibility, which will be the point lying between the other two? Point z will be lying between the points x and y. So third possibility we see this point z is lying between the points x and y, right? They had given us the measures. What measures they gave? distance between x and y is 17 and between y and z is 8. So here distance between x and y is 17 and between y and z is 8. Is that possible? Yes. This entire distance is 17. This small part, this distance is 8. So this is right. Then we can find out this other distance. What is this distance? The distance between the points x and z. That is what we have to find. So how will we find this distance? This entire distance minus this distance. So first let us complete this. According to this sketch, what happens? Point Z lies between which two points? X and y. So I write here x and y. Distance between x and z is got by the distance between x and y minus the distance between y and z. Between x and y, the distance is 17. Between y and z, the distance is 8. So when I subtract here 17 minus 8, 17 minus 8 is 9. So therefore I have here my answer as 9. So I have completed all the three possibilities. Now I go back to the question. We have to find distance between x and z. We had to find considering all the possibilities. In the first one, we could not find. In the second one, we got the answer 25. In the third one, we got the answer 9. Therefore, the distance between x and between the points x and z is either 25 or 9. So it can take either one of the two values.